coming to our open house event at 12865 Meadowbend Drive, Wellington, Florida. If you're thinking of buying or selling your home this year, we will be happy to help. My name is Kate Smith with Kate Smith Group at Brosda and Bentley Realtors. My team and I have been helping buyers and sellers just like you, and we look forward to the opportunity of being of service to you too. Just give us a call and let's get started. In the interim, here are some important links that will provide you with tons of helpful tips on buying or selling a home done right. And I'm enclosing a special gift for you, valued at $500, which you can download right here.